Before I start this episode of our Grow It campaign, I want to say a quick thank you to the episode sponsors. They are Wealthify, Invest Engine and Fidelity. I'm going to say a quick bit about each proposition, so make sure you listen to them, because later in the series when I talk about the different propositions out there, they'll be useful to refer back to. Do remember that with investing, your capital is at risk, so the value of your investments can go down as well as up, which means you may get back less than you invest. That is relevant to each of the propositions I'm going to talk about. First up, Wealthify is a multi-award winning online and app-based investment service founded in 2016 and backed by Aviva, with a simple mission to make investing accessible to everyone. You can invest from as little as £1, £50 for pensions. Wealthify has a simple yet competitive annual management fee. Investment costs also apply, and offers a number of investment products, including a stocks and shares ISA, a general investment account, a personal pension, and a junior ISA. Within each of those, you can invest in a range of managed portfolios with varying risk profiles and even ethical portfolios. For more information about Wealthify, please visit wealthify.com/MTTM. Now, Wealthify does not offer advice. If you're not sure whether investing is right for you, then please speak to a financial advisor. Wealthify is authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Moving on to our next sponsor, Invest Engine. Invest Engine offers a low-cost approach to investing with no platform fee if you choose your own investments, or if you'd like a little help, they'll build and manage a globally diversified portfolio to suit you for just 0.25% per annum, or just 25p for every £100 you invest. You can get started with £100, and there is a £25 investment bonus available to new customers if you'd like to sign up via the link in our review. For more information about Invest Engine, visit investengine.com. Finally, I'd like to say thank you to our Grow It series sponsor, Fidelity International. Whether you're just starting out or an experienced investor, Fidelity offers a wide range of investment options with plenty of information, tools, and guidance to help you make more of your money and achieve your financial goals. For more information about Fidelity, please visit fidelity.co.uk/money to the masses. Hi, my name is Damien Fay and I'm the founder of Money to the Masses, and in this video series called Grow It, I'm going to give you an introduction into investing. Now, in the first video, I covered why you should consider investing, but while investing can be a great way to grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals, before you even start, there are a few things you should consider. In this video, we'll cover some important factors to keep in mind before you even start investing. Now, do make sure that if you find this interesting, you hit that like button and you subscribe to our channel to get the rest of the videos in this series. Now, the first thing you need to consider before you invest is your financial situation. Take a look at your income and expenses and make sure you have enough money to cover your bills and emergencies before you start investing. Do you have an emergency fund? Now, an emergency fund is a pot of money that you set aside separate from any savings that you may have that you can access should you suffer financial hardship. An emergency fund can save you from getting into debt, and it is sensible to have this in place before you even think about putting money aside into investments. A good starting point for an emergency fund is to have 3 to 6 months net income, so that can be enough to cover your monthly bills. So if the worst does happen, you can access that money quickly. Now, what about your debt? Have you got any short-term debt? Short-term debt such as credit cards and overdrafts incur high rates of interest, and the interest you are being charged is likely to outweigh any gains that you make from investing. So it is best to pay off any short-term debt before starting to invest, making sure to not miss any repayments, as that could damage your credit score. Next, you need to understand investment goals and timeframes. An investment goal will help you understand exactly how much money you will need to invest and when. Having a clear idea of what you want to achieve will help guide your decisions and give you a greater chance of building wealth over the long term. That could be retirement, for example. As a general rule of thumb, you should only invest money if you do not need access to it for at least 5 years. You also need to consider whether investing is even right for you. Are you comfortable with potentially losing some or even all of your money in the worst case? It is important to understand the risks involved when investing and also your own attitude to risk. These are important topics and I will cover them in the next video in this series. Finally, it is important to consider whether you want to run your investments yourself, but not only that, you need to consider whether you have the time and necessary expertise to do so. Alternatively, it is possible to get someone to advise you on investments, and you can even get someone to manage the investments for you. Of course, there is an associated cost with this. So if your finances are in order, you have money set aside for financial emergencies, and you have spare money you can put away for at least 5 years, then you could be ready to start investing. Now, in the next video, I will look at risk, returns, and taxation when it comes to investing your money.